Welcome to VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. Thank you so much for completing 3000 subscribers on our channel. We are happy to have 3000 members in our family. If you want to learn how to use computer and Android using screen reader, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive updates. If you have any queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. You can support us by donating using thanks or join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Follow our social media handles like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and X to receive regular updates and tech related articles. Happy learning! Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of HTML with screen readers. Guys, we have made already 8-9 videos about HTML and we are going step by step. Each step we are teaching through our videos. But we get views like 50, 40, 30, 20, somehow sometimes 100. I'm very much disappointed that I have tried to do something special for you, but this happens. Okay, it's my job to complete this series because it's my promise, it's our promise, so we always keep our promise. Okay guys, let's come back to today's session. Today we are gonna discuss about how to create tables. Okay, what is the table? Tables are used, it is a way to structure my data as rows and columns. You already know about the table in MS Word, you already know about the table in Excel, though Excel is not a table, but it looks like a table. Okay, it has rows and it has columns. Now those who are very new in this, please watch our MS Words videos so that you can understand, or you can take any sighted assistance help. Here we are just going to discuss a little bit of advanced things like we are creating tables using HTML. So let me turn this characters on and all
symbol level most, symbol level all.
Okay, now here I have created a blank file.
Less h1 greater table less slash h1 greater blank.
So here we will start creating the table. Now what we want to write the data. Let's suppose we want to create some data, some person's name, and or let's suppose some items name, some fruits names, flowers name and their prices. We want to list them. We want to create this table. Okay, only with 2 columns and whatever rows we want. Okay, remember before creating the table in HTML, at least I recommend you to create the same table in Excel. Why? That I will come to it later. Okay, because this is very important, as I said. So first we should create the table element. So there is an element table, less table greater, and obviously there is the close element, closing tag, less table greater
table greater
and less
slash e table greater.
Okay, less table greater
blank less slash table greater blank
less slash table greater. So within this we need to create rows and columns, etc, etc. Now here first you should aware that when we are creating tables using rows, so we should use table rows. We should create one by one rows. Rows means first you need to create the first row, then put the data, second row, put the data, third row, put the data. So this is why I told you to create a same data or same table using Excel, so that you will have the idea how your table will look. Now as I have already been experienced, I have already some experience in this field and I am doing regularly, so that's why I am going to show you this directly.
Less table blank.
So first row, okay, so create the first row. So to create the row we use tr tag, okay, tr for table row, okay, less tr greater less slash tr greater, opening tag closing tag,
Less tr greater.
okay,
Less slash tr greater blank. Less tr greater blank. Less slash tr greater blank.
that's super. Now what you write in the first row? Your table header means the headings, all the fields name, like name, roll number, registration number, so and so things, whatever, right? So this is called table header or table heading. You can say table heading, data heading. So to write the table heading we have th tag. So whatever you want to write th within th tag, it will be create the first column and then second column, third column. Okay, I'll show you. So first let us create the first column and write name or item. Okay, item I'll type.
Less item. Item less slash th greater.
Okay, see,
Less th greater item less slash th greater
the total these things is a column. First column has been created.
blank.
Now second column, price.
Less th price price less slash th greater.
Now according to our data, as we do not need other column, third column, fourth column, so we can just go to the next row, okay. But if you have more columns, just below that another open th and close th, and in between you need to write this, okay. Then
Less slash tr
so
greater.
tr, which means row is closed, so below
Less
that,
slash table less character less slash tr greater blank.
so here I want to create the second row. First row is created, data is written. That's why I'm always saying that you should have a prototype data in your Excel, okay. Now let's type second row, let's create second row. Less tr greater
less
and
slash tr blank. Less tr greater
second
blank.
row,
Less slash tr greater
okay, second row is created.
blank.
So in this blank we need to start typing the data. Now for the first row you have your column headings, not column headings, like table headings, right? Now what you write from second row onwards? You write data, exact data. In the place of item you will write the exact item's name. In the price you will write exact price name. Yes or no? Type yes into the comment section, okay. Now to write the data we use td tag, okay. It also has the opening tag and closing tag. Less td less slash td, okay.
Less td dot greater.
Now whatever you write within less td less slash td greater, it will be the first data. So first what we should insert the item name, because first th was item. So let's enter the item name. Let's suppose here I will list some fruits name, mango,
mango.
okay, mango,
Less
and then let's slash
td greater.
okay. Now next it's created. See.
Less td greater mango less slash td greater.
So second
blank.
row first column is created. Now instead of mango if you write the price or if you write something else, so data will not be matched properly. This is the reason I told that you should always create a prototype data in MS Excel before creating the table if you are a beginner, okay. And if you don't know, if you are not a beginner, you never watch this video, I'm sure, okay.
Less td greater mango less blank.
Next, less td greater. So now what do you need to type? The price of the mango. So let's suppose
Num log on.
here I will type the price 20,
20.
okay, 20 slash kg, okay, no, let's suppose 50 slash kg,
50 slash kg.
okay, that's it.
Slash td greater td slash td greater carriage return.
Okay, next
slash
row
tr
finished.
greater.
Now if I here just open another td and write something, what happened? Another column is created for the second row, but for the first row there are only 2 columns. But in the second row, if there are 3 columns, what happened? The data is mismatched, right? So this is why again you need to be careful about.
Less blank.
So let's create the third row.
Less tr greater. Less tr blank. Less t blank.
Now here again, this is not your table header. So table data, let's type another fruit's name.
Greater.
Mango. Then let's suppose type grapes.
GREEAPES /TD greater. Less TD greater.
Less TD greater. So here let's suppose I type 25 slash G. G means something like
G slash
okay, kg. Let's suppose.
kg TD.
I know I don't have any idea about the real price.
Okay. Less tr greater.
So next
Less
I just create another one.
Less tr greater. Less slash tr greater. Blank. Less TD greater. BAA banana. Less slash TD less TD greater. 30 DOZZE N.
Okay, 30 slash dozen.
Less slash TD less TD greater banana. Less slash TD greater. Less TD greater 30 slash dozen. Less slash TD greater. Less slash TR greater.
So another row I just create.
Less TR greater. Less slash TR less T blank. Less TD greater.
So jackfruit.
JACKFRUIT jackfruit slash TD greater. Less TD greater.
Okay, now it's crossed is 100 rupees per unit.
Slash UNIT.
Okay.
Unit slash TD.
See.
Less TD greater 100 slash unit less slash TD greater. Less slash TR greater.
Okay, so we have successfully created our table. Let's suppose I don't want to add anything.
Less slash table greater.
Then table closed, body closed, everything is closed. Okay. So you understood how you can do this. I mean how we can create the table. Right? Now let us see whether the table is created or not. Okay. Now see.
Outro.ftemplate.html707.
So let me open this template.
HTML project for YouTube. Heading level 1 table.
Okay, now I'm pressing T.
Table with 5 rows and 2 columns. Row 1 column.
Okay, 5 rows and 2 columns. Okay.
Column 1 item.
Column 1 item.
Column 2 price.
Column 2 price. So I am using the table navigation key, which you already know, I think.
Column 1 row 2 mango.
Mango. See, mango.
Price column 250 slash kg.
Price 50 slash kg. Next.
Row 3 grapes.
Grapes.
Price column 225 slash kg.
Okay.
Item
Then
column 1 grape. Row 4 banana.
banana.
Price column 230 slash dozen.
Okay.
Item row 5 jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Price column 2 100 slash unit.
Okay.
Item edge of table. Jackfruit.
Nothing is there. So edge of table. It's saying edge of table. So this is how we can create a simple table using HTML. Okay. Now, if you want to add or enhance your table with different features, so that is also possible. That will be under some advanced table, where we will discuss some advanced methods such as like structuring the table or semantic table elements. These are some part of advanced table. But for today, I think it's enough for you. Those who are very new, just keep learning, okay, and practice this. So I hope you understood the process. Still, if you have doubts, watch this video again and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. See you soon in the next class of HTML. Till then, keep coding. Bye bye.